Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to understand a very basic and important topic. What is computer networking? So let's start simple. A computer network is a group of devices like computers, mobiles or servers that are connected together to share the data and resources. That's it. It's very simple. Now let's understand with a real real life example. Imagine you are sending a message on WhatsApp from your phone to your friend's phone. What happens? The message goes through the internet, reaches a server, and then gets delivered to your friend. The entire process happens because of networking. So, whenever devices communicate with each other, it is called network. So now the question is, why do we need networking? We need networking for many reasons. First, to share data like sending files, photos, or messages. Second, to share resources like using a printer from multiple computers. Third, to access the internet, which itself a huge network. And fourth, for communication like emails, video calls, and chats. Now, let's look at basic components of a network. There are mainly three things. First, devices like computers, mobiles, and servers. Second, transmission media like cables or wires, connections such as Wi-Fi. And third, protocols. These are rules that define how data is sent and received for example, TCP and IP. So these protocols use it for sending and receiving. So don't worry about protocols now. So we will learn them in detail in upcoming videos. So summarize, a computer network is a connection of devices that helps us share data, resources, and communicate with each other. So that's it for today. In the next video, we will learn about types of networks like LAN, MAN, WAN. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.